The surprising longevity secrets of centenarians. You have been sold a lie about aging. For decades, we have been told that living to 100 is winning the genetic lottery. You look at your parents and think, well, that is my destiny. But science has finally exposed that for what it is, a myth. The Danish Twin Study proved that genetics account for only about 20% of your life expectancy. Just 20%. That means the other 80% is completely in your hands. It is called epigenetics. You are not a passenger in your own body. You are the driver. And today, we are going to unlock the specific, non-negotiable micro-habits used by the longest-living people on Earth to reverse their biological clock. These aren't generic tips like eat your veggies. These are precise tools you can use tonight. First, let's go to Okinawa, Japan, to fix your metabolism. In America, we have a toxic relationship with being full. We eat until we cannot eat another bite. But the Okinawans practice a rule called Hara Hachi Bu. They stop eating when they are 80% full. Why does this specific number matter? Because that 20% gap is where the magic happens. By not stuffing yourself, you trigger a cellular process called autophagy. Think of autophagy as a housekeeping service for your cells. When you are in a mild calorie deficit, your body hunts down old, damaged cells and recycles them for energy. It cleans out the junk that leads to Alzheimer's and cancer. So here is your actionable step. You do not need a scale. You just need to change your speed. Slow down. The moment you no longer feel hungry, not full, just not hungry, push the plate away. That 20% gap is the difference between aging and regenerating. Next, we need to change what you are drinking. In Ikaria, Greece, people have almost no dementia. One of their secrets is what they brew. They don't just drink caffeine. They drink mountain tea made from wild rosemary, sage, and dandelion. This isn't just about hydration. These specific herbs are powerful diuretics. They help flush out excess sodium in water, keeping your blood pressure naturally low. But more importantly, herbs like rosemary are packed with antioxidants that protect the brain from oxidative stress. If you want to protect your memory, swap your second cup of coffee for a steep of rosemary or sage tea. It is cheap, it is simple, and your blood vessels will thank you. Now let's talk about the most underrated superfood in the world. It is not kale, and it is not some expensive supplement. It is the humble bean. Black beans, lentils, chickpeas, it doesn't matter. They are loaded with fiber that feeds the healthy bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome lowers inflammation system-wide. We know inflammation is the root of heart disease. So here's the rule. Meat is a condiment, not the main course. Commit to adding half a cup of beans to your lunch and dinner starting tomorrow. It is the single most consistent dietary habit of people who live to 100. Finally, we need to address stress. You cannot live to 100 if your body is constantly bathed in cortisol. In Loma Linda, California, a community of Adventists lives about 10 years longer than the average American. Their secret is a sanctuary in time. For 24 hours every week, they unplug. No work, no news, no digital noise. This isn't just religious. It is physiological. This downtime forces your body to downshift, dropping your heart rate and clearing out stress hormones. You don't need to be religious to do this. Establish a digital curfew. Every evening after 6 p.m., turn off the news. Put the phone in a drawer. Give your nervous system a chance to recover. You have more power than you think. Your genes are not your fate. They are just the starting point. In claiming your sanctuary in time, you are rewriting your biological future. Do not wait for a diagnosis to start living like a centenarian. Start today. If you want more known-sense, science-backed strategies to protect your brain and your body, hit that subscribe button for MealMind TV. We are here to help you live better, longer.